Alright, so I did a video the other day with a 2006 Lincoln Zephyr and the MKZ 2007 8. Those same body styles. They asked me how did I take the shifter off. So real quick, gonna do a quick video. Just get your screwdriver right here and just push it down on the chrome part. See how I did that? Now you have a little screw there. It's a T20. Get the T20 screw. And let's just say you're in that 2006 Lincoln Zephyr or 2007 MKZ and your plastic is broken. I don't know how they break, but they do break. And just follow my other video on removing a radio and taking out this center console piece right here. This is actually an easy job. All you gotta do is you got 2 feet, one here, one there, and you're just gonna pull this out. Oh, I should say pull it up. But I can't hold the camera. You're gonna have to push or pull these tabs back. Pull these tabs back this way, and then pull up. Alright, so once you pull those 2 tabs back, you can just pull this right up. And this is the piece that you need to change.